What up, guys? So it is time for us to link our wallet address to the Satoshi app in order for us to cash out our OG that we just mined. All right, so like I said, I told you guys earlier on that I will be making a video on that, and here we are about to do that right here, live and direct, for you guys to see. So the OG mining is over. You can see it yourself. It's completely done. All right, so I'll be showing you step by step how you can link your wallet address and be on the safe side. So you need to pay attention to details in this video. It's going to be a very short video. Let's go. So in order for you to do that, all you need to do is to go to your asset section, click on the asset, click on it, then you go to asset section over here, then you click on your OG. OG is over here. So OG has been very difficult to mine anyway, so I was able to mine at least 5, and I'm going to be linking my wallet address right here right now. So now many of you are wondering what EVM wallet is all about. EVM wallet is your MetaMask wallet. EVM stands for Ethereum virtual machine. All right, so any wallet compatible with Ethereum is your EVM wallet. All right, so that's all you need to do. Go and copy your MetaMask wallet is the best, then you bring it over here. Let's do that quick. All right, over here in my MetaMask wallet, I'm just going to copy this wallet address over here. This is my EVM wallet address. All right, you click on it and we go straight back to our Satoshi application. So now you click on the link wallet address. All right, then you paste the wallet address over here, paste it, then you are just going to type in your asset password. This is something you've already created a long time ago when you were creating your account. All right, so you're going to put it there. Right, so it's done. Now in case you don't know anything about asset password, like if this is your first time doing all this kind of stuff, your asset password, you can actually set it up in your profile. So you go to your profile, you look for settings, then you click on setting. You are definitely going to see where you can set up your asset password. It's very easy. All right, so now let's click on link to. All right, you confirm this, then they will send you a message, a code to your email address. You have to go to your email address and copy that code, get back here and put it in this box over here. Then you click on confirm and you are good to go. Let me do that quickly for you guys to see. Just got my code and I click on confirm. It's going to definitely ask me for my verification, facial verification. So guys, you also need to do this again. So I'm going to do mine quickly.
Position your face in the frame. Turn your head slowly to the left. Open your mouth. Raise your head slowly.
So once you finish doing that, you click on the link wallet address once more. All right, wait for the message, the successful message to pop up. Very good. So you can see the message just popped up. All right, so it was successful. Guys, once you get this message, you don't need to repeat the process. All right, a lot of you are always doing this thing. You keep repeating the process till you exhaust all the chances you have for you to change your wallet address up. So you don't need to repeat the process. Just do it once, and once you get the successful message, it means you are good to go. It's very easy, guys. Now if you click on close, you are still going to see this looking like this, link wallet address again looking like this. And this is because they are giving you more chances. If in case you want to change your wallet address, you should try it again. In case you don't have the same wallet you used to link previously and you want to change your wallet address, you do it again. That is all. So guys, don't complicate things for yourself. It's as easy, as simple as that. So guys, that is all for this video. So I am done with my linking of wallet address to the Satoshi app. So guys, all I'll be waiting for now is just for my withdrawal. So guys, I hope you do the same thing and you will be on point also. Okay, so guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.